So good morning, everyone. I'm Rhett Davis from North Carolina State University. I'm going to talk about how we have used the ARM kits in teaching as well as our research program and some of our perspectives on that and why we use it in the design process. And I'm thinking mostly of the physical design process of taping it out, as well as the coding up of the RTL source files that make it all work. You've got very long run times for simulation as well as place and route. You've got huge files, and so that makes this process very complicated. But if you have very few samples, that's very few opportunities to get it right, and that's essentially the problem with getting all this to work. So that leads to uncertainty, well, depending on how you look at it, uncertainty or inaccuracies. You don't really know whether the circuit is going to be working as you expect. So why does ARM IP help us with this? And the main thing is that it just works. That in these state-of-the-art debugging flows and design flows.